Hey guys, my name is Tanzil and welcome back to the channel. In the last video, we have seen how to install the guest edition to get the widescreen or the full screen display of macOS Ventura. Now in this video, we are going to solve the problem of no internet connection. So if you are also having the same problem that you are not getting the internet connection in your macOS virtual machine which is running in VMware Workstation player, then you can watch this video till the end. So I'll just quickly open the system settings and you can see if I click on network, there is no option for Ethernet or there is no mention of Ethernet even though my computer is connected to Ethernet. And let's click on player in the menu bar and then scroll to manage and then click on virtual machine settings. Now if you click on network adapter, it shows N80 which is used to share the host IP address. So my host's IP address or the network should be shared with the guest operating system, but it's not happening. So let's see how we can fix this. First of all, turn off your computer, the guest computer, that is the macOS Ventura. Just shut it down. Alright, then you can open your browser and just check whether you are connected to internet or not. And you can see my computer is connected to internet, so that means something is wrong with the virtual machine. So quickly open the directory in which you have saved your virtual machine for macOS 13 Ventura. The default directory will be your computer, then documents, then virtual machines, and inside that folder you will be having different folders for different virtual machines. Just as in my case, this is the default folder for virtual machines in VMware Workstation. So let's open macOS 13 Ventura. Now here we have to look for a VMX file, a file which has an extension .vmx, and the type of the file is VMware Virtual Machine Configuration file, and this is the file macOS 13 Ventura. So just right click on it and then scroll to open with and then click on Notepad. Now if Notepad is not displayed here, then you can click on choose another app and then choose Notepad from the list. Alright, then your VMX file is going to open up in Notepad. Now scroll till you find this property which says ethernet 0.virtual-dev equals within double quotes E1000E. You have to look up for this property, and if you are not able to find it, you can just click on edit and then click on find, and then here just search for E1000E and the location of this property will be found. Now we have to change the value of this property. We have to delete this E1000E and instead of that we have to write VMXNET3, that is VMXNet3. Alright, then just click on file and then save it. We don't have to change anything else, and then just close your Notepad and then your Windows Explorer. Alright, then you can open up your VMware Workstation, then select your operating system and then click on play virtual machine. Now let your operating system boot up. Alright, now let's open our browser, that is Safari browser, and let's open any of the link and see if the internet is working or not. And yeah, you can see that now the internet is working. The page is loading perfectly. Let's click on system settings now and then click on network, and now you can see that it shows Ethernet now and the status is connected. And if you click on different tabs, you can see all the information related to your network, which means everything is perfect now. So I hope you were able to solve the no internet connection problem in your macOS 13 which is running on VMware Workstation player. So I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.